Jai Hind. My name is Lieutenant A. Yadaya, Associate NCC Officer 37 Kai, Dr. BRR Government College, Chercherla, 8th Telangana Battalion, NCC, Mehboob Nagar. Our topic is National Integration, Chapter 4, Threats to National Security. Now we are going to discuss about threats to national security. Introduction. The India state is faced with a varied set of threats in the conventional, subconventional, insurgency and terrorism. Manifestation of threats range from communal, sectarian violence to jihadi terrorism, separatist insurgencies in northeast, and Naxalite extremist militancy. National security. National security is the security of a country. This basically implies maintenance of peace and law and order and upholding sovereignty. National security is the requirement to maintain the survival of the state through the use of economic power, diplomacy, power projection, and political power. In India, the Ministry of Home Affairs take care of internal security while external security comes under the Ministry of Defense. Classification of threat. India national security threat perceptions are mix of all two shades of threats given below. A. Internal threat. B. External threat. Internal threats. There are various reasons, both historical and non historical. A. Poverty. B. Unemployment. C. Inequitable growth. D. Widening gap between haves and have nots. E. Failure on administrative front or governance deficit. F. Increasing communal divide. G. Increasing caste awareness and caste tensions. H. Porous borders. And last one, Naxalism. External threats. These are two types. Number one, cross border threats. Number two, jihadi terrorism. Number one, cross border threats. Most external threats emanate from an unsettled boundary dispute with China and ongoing cross border jihadi terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, sponsored and supported by ISI and Pakistan. Islamic organizations Lashkar-e-Toiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed. International jihadi groups, Taliban, Al Qaeda. These groups are jihadi groups are very dangerous jihadi groups in the world. Taliban, Al Qaeda. Threat from Bangladesh assumes serious dimensions since it became a base for Northeast insurgent groups like ULFA and Naga factions. Nuclear threat from neighboring states, China, Pakistan, and jihadi groups have the potential of using nuclear weapons. Uh, Observe these images. Left side, China nuclear weapons. Right side, Pakistan nuclear weapons. Jihadi terrorism. India most is their nexus with Pak-based jihadi organizations and the ISI. Asbi behind the bomb blast at Hyderabad's Makkah Masjid. Terrorism is not confined to state boundaries alone and has spread to Southeast Asia. Even in Muslim dominated countries like Malaysia and Indonesia, fundamentalist jihadi terrorists have struck deep roots. In India, jihadi movement which created Pakistan in 1947. Attributes of national security. The main attributes of national security are A. Secure territorial integrity and protect internal sovereignty. B. Maintain domestic peace. C. Prevalence of law and order. D. Peaceful coexistence and communal harmony, etc. Doctrine. National security doctrine includes the following key elements: A. Political. B. Socio-economic. C. Governance. D. Police and security forces. E. Century state coordination. F. Intelligence. G. Border management. H. Cyber security. Conclusion. Most threats emanate from an unsettled boundary dispute with China and ongoing jihadi terrorism supported by ISI and Pakistan based Islamist organizations like Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, who in return are inextricably linked with international jihadi groups like Taliban and Al Qaeda. Threats Bangladesh assume serious dimensions since it became a base for Northeast insurgents groups like ULFA and Naga factions. To cap it, nuclear threats from neighboring states have the potential of using nuclear weapons in the foreseeable future. Summary. National security is the security of a country within its border. This basically implies maintenance of peace and law and order and upholding sovereignty of the country within its territory. India's national security threat perceptions are a mix of all two shades of threats. Number one, internal threats. Number two, external threats. Attributes of national security, doctrine of national security. Thank you.